We will be giving our next award to a musician who hails from Hwabaraty. This musician was part of the collaboration song of Love Shouldn't Hurt campaign, and this collaboration song actually amassed to 800,000 views. That's a lot of people. That's a lot of influence. And being part of this is Hwabaraty. Hwabaraty, please take the stage. He is a cultural ambassador, someone who's able to raise his voice and promote GBV-free communities. Lovely, lovely there.
Looking at the collab song that you did with other artists like Wingy D, Holiday, what was your experience in as artists coming up together to have such a key message to our society? How was the experience?
First of all, I would like to thank PSH for such an beautiful initiative. My teammates were champions. I learned a lot from these guys, especially the love. There was a lot of love, that we shared as brothers, as, we had two sisters, Sandra and Amara. We became a very strong family, and an example was set. I come from Bulawayo. There's this, political, but I felt, loved in this project, and it was just an amazing, opportunity for me to work with such big people like Winkity, Amara, Freeman, HKD, those guys, we became family, and now we treat each other as, family. Thank you once again, PSH, for that. Love shouldn't hurt. You